Step 1. Journey to your Super You. Take the first step on a new journey to become your Super You. Uncover your talents, realize your potential, and embrace new opportunities in your life. Who is your Super You? It's the you who knows how to live in total harmony with your body, emotions, and thoughts. It's the you who knows how to listen to inner silence, to relax deeply, and who knows how to live in the present, the here and now. Your Super You listens to your body, enjoys food, and doesn't overeat because you are eating mindfully. Your Super You reveals your talents and gifts in relationships and your sexual life. Your Super You reveals your creativity, knows how to dream, has a vision of a desired future, and follows the path to success. By choosing this journey of self-discovery, our super selves will be revealed and we will learn how to live our best lives. Meditation is one of the most effective ways to improve ourselves. Meditation allows us to get in touch with our bodies again. It shows us how to breathe mindfully, eat and move mindfully, and also to love mindfully. A regular meditation practice will help you develop more awareness of your body. You will experience a deeper sense of yourself and your feelings. Regular meditation will teach you to choose positive emotions above negative ones, which will bring you more joy and contentment in your everyday life. Regular meditation can help you reach a state of inner peace and well-being. It teaches you to experience your feelings and to communicate your emotions with clarity in your intimate relationships and sexual life. Our meditations can help you develop new creative skills. Learn how to dream, how to trust and follow your own unique ideas. How to create and live a life that is true to you. Now, let's meditate. Let's discover the power of an open mind and forgiveness, of inner peace and quiet. Let's experience a sense of being part of the universe, of every new moment of our meditation as unique. On this journey to your Super You, you will experience the benefits of a variety of meditation practices and feel more joy while rediscovering yourself.